Solo brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's topic is measurement of conductivity of ionic solution. It is the continuation of electrochemistry. Accurate measurement of unknown resistance of electrolyte can be performed by on Wheatstone bridge. It is used for finding the unknown resistance of the solution of electrolyte, that is an ionic solution. A, B, C, D. Here this one is a R1, that is a variable. This one is a R2, that is a conductivity of the cell having the unknown resistance. This one is a R3, this one is a R4. This one is a O. O nothing but oscillators. It is used for sources of AC power of audio range is 550 to 5 kilohertz. Here that is a Wheatstone bridge consists of R3 and R4 are two resistance. Another one, R1 nothing but variable. That is a R2 nothing but conductivity of cell having unknown resistance. Another one is a Wheatstone bridge is connected by the detector, that is a P, suitable detector. Another one is a O nothing but oscillators. Oscillators used for sources of AC power of audio frequency 550 hertz to 5 kilohertz is a range of oscillator. Here Wheatstone bridge balanced. Here no current pass through the detector. This name is called null point. This nothing but null point. When null point is obtained, that is R2 by R1 equal to R4 by R3. This equation becomes R2 should be equal to R4 into R1 by R3. This nothing but unknown resistance of the is what electrolyte. Knowing the values of R4, R1 and R3, we can find out the conductivity cells of unknown resistance based on the Wheatstone bridge. It is used to measure the conductivity of ionic solution. Another topic, calculation of conductivity. Conductivity notation is a kappa, that is a K. Conductivity is the reciprocal of specific resistance, that is K is equal to 1 by rho, reciprocal of specific resistance. Specific resistance obtained by the, that is R is a resistance, is directly proposed to the length and inversely proposed to the area of cross section. This nothing but cell constant. L by A nothing but cell constant. Cell constant is a constant can be determined by using the KCl, whose concentration known and specific resistance also known. This unit, length unit meter, A unit is what meter square, is a unit meter inverse. This equation become R should be equal to rho L by A. How to find out rho? So rho nothing but R A by L. So R nothing but a resistance, it is a unit, it is a ohm, A is a meter squared, L is a meter. So specific resistance unit is a ohm meter. That is a rho nothing but R A by L. This is a ohm. This is a meter. This one unit for specific resistance. So K is equal to 1 by rho. K is the conductivity. That is a specific conductivity. Conductivity is a reciprocal of specific resistance. This equation become K is equal to, that is 1 by R L by A. This equation becomes, this known as cell constant, by resistance, or K is equal to cell constant into conductance. Because the conductance is a reciprocal of resistance, this type of question may be asked the 1 mark, that is a kappa. Kappa is a conductivity, should be equal to cell constant and conductance. Another one, variation of conductivity and equivalent and molar conductance with the concentration. This can be applicable for both a strong electrolyte and a weak electrolyte. First, for the strong electrolyte. And weak electrolyte. The strong electrolyte and the weak electrolyte, first explain on dilution. On dilution, there is a G. G nothing but conductivity of electrolyte another one lambda EQ. Lambda EQ nothing but equivalent conductance. Another one lambda M. Lambda M nothing but molar conductance. Another one lambda M. Lambda M nothing but molar conductance. There is a conductivity of electrolyte, equivalent conductance, molar conductance on the dilution, it will be increases. This due to presence of number of ions. In dilution, number of ions increases, conductivity is also increases, but is a decrease on the concentration. Another one, conductivity. Conductivity nothing but there is a kappa. On dilution, G equivalent conductance, molar conductance, all are increases on dilution. Conductivity decreases on dilution. Because of number of ions per unit volume of the solution which carrying the current decreases. So conductivity decreases on the dilution and increase on the concentration. These are the relation between variation of conductivity, equivalent conductance, molar conductance at is a concentration. Another point, variation of concentration with lambda equivalent lambda M. Lambda equivalent nothing but equivalent conductance, lambda M nothing but molar conductance. This can be explained the plot a curve between, that is a lambda EQ nothing but equivalent conductance, or lambda M, this is nothing but molar conductance, unit Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Molar conductance mole inverse, equivalent conductance equivalent inverse versus square root of the concentration. Plot a curve between molar conductance or equivalent conductance versus square root of the concentration. We can obtain the different types of plot. Different types of plot depends upon the types of the electrolyte. There are two types of electrolyte. One is a strong electrolyte, another one is a weak electrolyte. KCl nothing but a strong electrolyte. This nothing but weak electrolyte. So strong electrolyte best example for acetic acid. Weak electrolyte is a best example for is what strong electrolyte is a best example for KCl. Weak electrolyte is a best example for acetic acid. Here this increases in concentration this one decreases in dilution. This known as variation of concentration with equivalent conductance and molar conductance. For the strong electrolyte, plot a curve between, that is molar conductance, square root of the concentration, unit mole per liter. Here, molar conductance decreases with increase the concentration. If concentration is approached the zero, this nothing but lambda m naught. Lambda m naught nothing but limiting molar conductance or molar conductance at infinity dilution. Here, molar conductance is decreases with the increase the concentration. Here, concentration approach the zero. This become limiting molar conductance or molar conductance at infinite dilution. For the weak electrolyte, molar conductance increases sharply near the high dilution. Here, extrapolation at dilution not possible, it is very difficult. This can be determined by using the Coller's law of independence of migration of ions. This relation between strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte vary with the concentration. Another one, variation of molar conductance or equivalent conductance with dilution. This can be applicable for both strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. For example, strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte best example, that is a KCl, completely ionized water to form the K plus and Cl minus. Here, number of ions remains constant. Is a strong electrolyte is a completely ionized in water. This can be explained by the D by Huckel-Ansager equation. This equation become molar conductance will be equal to molar conductance at infinite dilution minus A plus B molar conductance at infinite dilution square root C. Here C nothing but a concentration, lambda m nothing but a molar conductance at infinite dilution. This equation represents as straight line equation. Straight line equation should be equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Is a plot a curve between, there is a molar conductance and root c. How to obtain the negative slope with a straight line possible? This nothing but slope. Here, this nothing but interceptor, this nothing but slope. For example, slope should be equal to minus A plus B molar conductance at infinite dilution. The values of slope depends upon the types of the electrolyte. Types of the electrolyte which are possible for charge carrying the cation and charge carrying the anion produced undergo degree of dissociation in the electrolyte. Here A and B are the constant. It is so A should be equal to 82.4 divided by square root of dt eta. B nothing but 8.2 in 10 power 5 so root 3 dt. Here d nothing but a dielectric constant. Of the medium. Here T nothing but temperature in Kelvin. So eta nothing but viscosity of the medium. What's a dB Huckel answer equation? This molar conductance should be equal to molar conductance at infinite dilution minus A plus B molar conductance at infinite dilution into root C. Root C nothing but concentration. Plot a curve between lambda m and root C. We can obtain the is a straight line negative slope. Is a slope nothing but minus A plus B molar conductance at infinite dilution. The values of slope depends upon the types of electrolyte. Types of electrolyte is carrying on the charge on the cation and charge on the anion produced undergo degree of dissociation of the electrolyte. Here A and B are the constant. This constant values A should be equal to 82.4 divided by square root of dt eta. B nothing but is 8.2 10 power 5 divided by is root 3 dt. Here T nothing but a dielectric constant for the medium. D is T nothing but a temperature in Kelvin. Eta nothing but viscosity of the medium. This can be is what explained at a high concentration and low concentration. Strong electrolyte explained by at a high concentration. Strong electrolyte is the best example for KCl. KCl completely ionized in water to form K plus and Cl minus. Here is a created the ionic interaction between the two ions very larger. Is a interaction between the two ions will be larger. Is a decrease the number of ion. Decrease the number of ion means conductance also decreases. Concentration increases. During the concentration, is a inter-ionic attraction will be decreases. Decrease the number of ions, so conductance decreases, concentration will be increases. At the dilution, is a conductance increases, concentration is a decreases. This due to inter-ion between the two ions are very weak. Is a number of ions will be increases. More number of ion increases, conductance also increases. Is a concentration will be decreases. Next, for the weak electrolyte. So weak electrolyte can be explained by the Ostwald dilution law. What is the Ostwald dilution law? Ostwald dilution law is what explained by the weak electrolyte according to the Arrhenius theory. Weak electrolyte best example for acetic acid, that is a CH3COH. This is a weak electrolyte, is a partially ionized in water and form CH3COO minus and H plus through the Ka nothing but equilibrium constant in terms of weak acid by using the alpha. Oswald dilution law related dissociation constant of weak acid with the degree of dissociation and concentration of weak electrolyte. This, by using this equation, we can find out the alpha. Alpha nothing but square root of Ka by C. If alpha value increases, concentration will be decreases. On the lowest concentration or decreasing the concentration or dilution, while the dilution inter-ionic between the two ions will be is what increases, number of ion produce more, conductance also more, that is what alpha degrees, alpha nothing but degree of dissociation also more. Concentration decreases, alpha will be increases. Likewise, alpha nothing but molar conductance divided by molar conductance at infinite dilution should be equal to equivalent conductance divided by equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. Based on this equation is a one more question may be asked. What is alpha? Alpha should be equal to square root of Ka divided by C. If concentration decreases, alpha value increases. This nothing but degree of dissociation. The degree of dissociation is nothing but ratio of molar conductance divided by molar conductance at infinite dilution should be equal to equivalent conductance divided by equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. This name is what weak electrolyte and strong electrolyte. Let us recap the is a measurement of conductivity of ionic solution by using the Wheatstone bridge. Here R2 should be equal to R4 into R1 and divided by R3. Knowing the values of R4, R1 and R3, we can find out the R2. R2 nothing but conductivity of cell which containing the unknown resistance of electrolyte solution, that is a ionic solution. Another point, calculation of conductivity is a conductivity nothing but cell constant into conductance or conductivity should be equal to cell constant divided by the resistance. Here there is a unit mho meter. Another one, variation of conductivity or equivalent conductance or molar conductance with the concentration for the strong electrolyte and a weak electrolyte. On dilution, conductivity of electrolyte, molar conductance and equivalent conductance increases on dilution due to presence and number of ion. More number of ion produce conductance will be increases, while in conductivity decreases on dilution. Why? Because here number of ion per unit volume which carrying the current in the solution decreases. This is known as a variation between this equivalent conductance, molar conductance or conductivity of electrolyte with the concentration. Another one is a effect of concentration with molar conductance at and equivalent conductance for the strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Strong electrolyte can be explained by the Debye-Huckel-Ansacher equation. Here molar conductance will be equal to molar conductance at infinite dilution minus A plus B. Molar conductance at equivalent conductance is at infinite dilution is and square root of the concentration. Another one, weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte can be explained by the Oswald dilution law. Oswald dilution law can be explained by the according to the Arrhenius theory. Here, there is alpha should be equal to square root of Ka divided by C. If concentration decreases, mean alpha will be increases. We have to practice all the type of concept and equation and get highest mark. Good luck.